Working with Apple Wireless Networking and got an AirPort file. This is a configuration file from Apple AirPort wireless base stations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through these Apple AirPort configuration files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your AirPort, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. AirPort files are configuration files associated with Apple AirPort wireless base stations, including AirPort Express Extreme and Time Capsule devices. They store complete network configuration including wireless settings, security parameters, port forwarding rules, and device preferences for AirPort device management. AirPort files use Apple's proprietary format, storing structured network configuration data with wireless network settings, security keys, and operational parameters. The format follows AirPort utility specifications, enabling configuration, backup, restore, and migration between AirPort devices in Apple wireless networking deployments. The developer of Apple AirPort Utility, Apple, created the original specifications for AirPort. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows provides a textual interface to config files, but modifications demand caution. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your AirPort file and select Open With. If Apple AirPort Utility is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. If you cannot access the AirPort file, no problem. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the AirPort file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening with AirPort Utility. Install AirPort Utility on macOS through the App Store, or use the Windows version available from Apple's support site. Launch AirPort Utility and use File then. Import configuration to load the AirPort file. The utility applies the configuration to a connected AirPort base station, replicating the source device settings. Next, backing up configurations. Use AirPort Utility's export function to create AirPort configuration backups before making changes to AirPort device settings. Save backups to secure locations like external drives or cloud storage, enabling quick restoration if configuration changes cause network issues. Regular backups protect against device replacement scenarios. Finally, migrating to modern networks. Since Apple discontinued AirPort products, consider migrating to modern wireless solutions like Eero Netgear Orbi or Ubiquiti Unify systems. Manually transfer settings from AirPort files to new wireless equipment using exported configuration as reference. Modern systems offer improved performance, security, and ongoing manufacturer support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.